Your AI agents can write full stack application in 5 minutes, but if you are asking them to go and complete a form or go and post something on X or other social platform, it will get stuck because it will need your cookies. In this video, we're going to see an open source browser that can help your AI agents go and do stuff with your cookies. This application is called EgoLite. This is a browser that is very fast. It is 2.5 times faster for AI agents, and it is using less tokens. And right now the application, it's only available for Mac, and it can be easily installed. And after you install it, you can use it as a browser, and your AI agents can go and do things within the browser easily. We're going to see how we can do that. And this is the website. You just need to download the application, and then it will go and install it. It will import everything from Chrome, and then your AI agents will have a browser that can use, and will have the cookies in there that will go and log in to various things. So this is the website, and in here you see that you can do multitasks, you can do forms, you can tell your AI agent to test your application and do a lot of cool and interesting things. This solution is lightweight and it is easy to use. So basically you are just installing this, and after the installation you will have a skill that will gonna be installed in the .agents, and in here you can see that this will have learnings with some of the tasks that you give it, and it will have a skill.md file with EgoLite that your AI agents can check and do things for you. So the setup will create all of these things for you easily. And for instance, if we're going to check it, this is the browser. It is looking nice, and it is like any other browser. The difference in here, it is that it has this button in here with spaces that will go and create various things. So for instance, in here I have an CLI tool that we're going to tell it to go and fetch the latest EgoLite like this. And right now, if we're going to check this, the agent will start, and in here you see that it's running. And if we're going to open this, you see that he already opened the Gmail for us, and right now he will go and fetch the latest Gmail. This is only an example so you can see how this is working. And yeah, right now he finished this, and you see that it was very fast. And right now you will have all the emails in here. Of course, we can tell it to send an email. For instance, go on, send an email to Dragos like with hi, and again it will go and create a space, and let's watch him work. I haven't told him to do this in the past. How I was testing this is to go and fetch some details from my social media, help me post, because you don't need an API to do this. Of course, you can tell it to do a lot of things. So in here, we see that he will try to go and send the email for us. So this is a more complicated task, but this is the first time when he will do this, and probably at the end he will go and learn from this and will be able to do this easier in the future. Let's wait for him to finish. And yeah, in here you see that you have all the details, and right now the task is completed. Email delivered to from Bidoze, hi. And if we're going to open Gmail, you will have the details in here. And again, you can go and chat with we did, for instance, post something funny on X, and he will go and post something funny for us on the X account. For X, for instance, to do this you will need APIs, and the API costs money. This browser, it will be free to use with your AI agents, and this can be used in any tool that you have with the help of the skill and the script that it has. And let's wait and see. And he already finished this. And let's go and check what he posted for us. Okay, so you see that it went and posted this for me in here. So yeah, I mean, this is just an overview so you can see this browser and how it's working. So basically, after you are logging into your accounts, it will have access to them. It will create separate workspaces for your AI agents. And for instance, you can use this very easily in Codex also. So in here, Ego Browser, like this, you can tell it to go and do various things. Get me the latest news from my X feed, like this, and right now he will go and just do this with the help of the browser. So yeah, you can use this browser in whatever tool you are using to work with your AI agents. Of course, besides that, you can just tell it to test your applications, for instance, very easily, and you see that this is quite fast and it doesn't use a lot of tokens. So yeah, it is an interesting option if you want to have your AI agents have a browser that can actually do things. And in here you see that it went and provided me the latest details that I have on X with this. And again, you can go and just install it on your Mac and you can start working with this very easily. So yeah, this is the video. I just wanted to show you something interesting that I am using, and in case you like what you have seen, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.